In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Wix to create and customize forms on your website. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to add functional and visually appealing forms that will help you gather information from your site visitors with ease. So let's dive into the process. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, signing up is quick and easy. Once logged in, open the site you wish to edit. On your dashboard, you'll find the site listed. Simply click on it to navigate to your site's management page. Next, you'll want to click on Edit Site. This will launch the Wix Editor, a powerful tool that will allow you to make design and content changes in a visually intuitive way. Inside the editor, your website will be presented as it appears online, so you can make changes directly and see how they will look in real time. To add forms, go up to the search bar and type in Wix Forms. You'll see a list pop up with various form options. Now click on Open, and this will bring up different templates for you to choose from. From here, click on Add to Site. You can select a pre-made template suitable for your needs, such as a contact form, lead form, or job application, or if you prefer, you can start from scratch. After choosing your form template, it's time to customize it to fit the needs of your website. Click the form, then click Manage Fields, so you can add or remove fields like text boxes, drop downs, or check boxes. Adapt the labels to make them clear for your visitors, ensuring everyone understands what is needed. Don't forget to adjust the design settings like font and colors to align with your site's branding. This will give your forms a professional and cohesive look. Also, you can rearrange the order of the fields by dragging and dropping them to the desired position, ensuring a logical flow for users. Once you're happy with your customization, select the form and click on Settings. This is where you will configure the form submissions. Determine where the submissions should be sent. It could be your connected email directly to your Wix inbox, or even to a Google Sheet if you have that integration set up. Enable notifications to get alerts when submissions are received, and consider adding a thank you message or setting up a redirect page for after the form is submitted. It's crucial to test your form before making it live. Click on Preview to see how the form functions both on desktop and mobile devices. This allows you to ensure all fields work correctly, the design looks appealing, and that you're receiving the notifications as expected. Once everything works perfectly, go ahead and click on Publish to make the form live on your site. And finally, click Done. Your form is now active, ready to capture visitor information seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy form building on Wix.